harnessing system you're going to notice on our RBV 150NX, totally adjustable to fit any operator without a tool. The first area I'm going to talk about is all the padding, such as in the harness up top, so it feels comfortable for any operator. The padding across the operator's back, so when it's on the operator, it fits nice. You don't even notice it's there. You're going to notice there's venting here, so as the air is being exhausted out of the vacuum, you don't feel any of it, and there's no heat on the operator. From an adjustment standpoint, you've got a nice wide cummerbund that fits any operator, and one of the key features that sets us apart is your ability to fit any torso by raising and lowering the spinal piece. So if I bring this spinal piece here, I just undo it with a piece of Velcro, slide it down. I'm going to set it up for my torso. I'm a 5'11" individual. What this does is it raises up the vacuum so it fits higher on you. So when I put the vacuum on, you're going to notice where it sits just above your tailbone, which is where you want it to sit. We're going to talk to you about the harnessing system now and how to properly adjust it to fit the operator. So as you're putting the backpack on, you're going to notice our ability to raise and lower the harnesses. You can see how the harness raises or lowers to fit anyone's torso. So if I'm up high, that you saw in the previous video, the vacuum's going to sit really low on my back, so it's going to be uncomfortable for a gentleman of my size. If I lower this down to where I like it, which you can see how easily that was done just by sliding it out, sliding it back in, Velcro down. One of the recommended things to do is pre-adjust these top straps for one of your points of adjustment. I'm going to put the vacuum on. Just turn around my little harness here. So now you can see where it sits on my back. Okay, so now I can adjust it to fit me. So the first thing I'm going to do, and when it's comfortable on my back, is take the big wide cummerbund that fits any operator. I'm going to use my shoulder adjustments here. I'm going to use my chest harness piece here to adjust. And then if need be, you've got two other points, two straps here. So it's 5 points. 1, 2, 3. Your spinal is 4, and up in here is 5. So you can fit it to any operator. You can see where it sits on my back, nice and comfortable and snug. So your key is your spinal piece, raising and lowering it. I lowered it. You can now see where it sits. If I raise the spinal piece, the vacuum's going to drop down a little bit. So I can totally customize this piece of equipment to fit any operator without any tool.